Good evening, friends. Somebody asked me how we are going to, what is the way of marking the support and resistance for trading. So based on that, I'm explaining how to go about it. So first I go and see the India VIX. India VIX is 14.58, that is 0.68%. 0.68% of the Nifty comes to around 170 to 165 points. So today's closing is here 21,665. Okay, 65. If I measure around 175 points, it will go a little bit more. It comes around 21,534 from the midpoint, from the closing point, and above 21,842. This is one way. Why I am looking at the India VIX is most of the traders trade on the options. The India VIX is calculated by the NSE based on the implied volatility of Nifty 50 index options. So it represents the volatility. It similar to the VIX, it represents the market expectations of volatility. So we are expecting 172 points deviation on the downside from the closing price and 172 points on the upside deviation. So I'm marking the range, not support or resistance. So I'm expecting this play to be within the range of 21,534 to 21,842 for tomorrow. So if the market comes, in case if it starts coming down, and I will keep a close watch on this level 21,534. If there is any reversal, I can take position. If it starts breaking below the 21,534, then my weekly calculation of the range comes into picture. That is 21,392. That is also based on the India VIX calculation. So like that, I'm marking two levels on the range. On the range on the upside, my expectation 21,000. This is one way of calculating and expecting the range in the market. 21,534 to 21,842. So another way of marking the support and resistance is based on the price action. Let me go to the daily time frame. Let me remove all these drawings. Let me show it to you and identifying the swings. See, I need to identify the swing. This is the breakout point, breakout of the range, and then Nifty, it has come like this and gone up and it has given a swing low. This is the low made on 20th December, that is 22nd December, 21,000. From there, swing has started to the upside, that is here. After that, it has started correcting. So my anticipation is one level is here, that is 21,481 as a support based on the levels. So if I change it to line chart, you will get exactly, let me remove this. So let me remove the drawing so that you will be. So this will act as this resistance can act as a support. That is 21,481. And the level is 21,155. And one more level is 21,000. So immediate level, this is the breakout level, resistance can act as support, 21,470. This is another way of finding out levels for the Nifty, 470. Okay? This is the way. And one more way of finding out the level is using let me enable the candlestick pattern. Let me take the fib tool and measure the swing. So if it gives, this is I'm shifting the level. Let me remove this. This is the 50% retracement of the fib level. That is discount level. 21,412. 21,412. And best level is 0.65, 0.618. That comes to 21,304. If you remember, I got this level as a weekly level, 21,392. 392 to 21,400 is the weekly range for the Nifty based on the India VIX volatility, VIX index. So this is the way you need to expect the supports and resistance for the Nifty based on the price action. Now, at present, let me remove all these drawings. Remove all the drawings. If I see the candlestick pattern, this was the range, and this was the close of the big bull bar. Now, if you see the price action, the price has penetrated into this candle. You can see a wick over here. This was the wick, exactly corresponding to the breakout level. That is 21. It has made a low of 21,555. And the close is within this big candle close level. That is 21,654, and it has closed at 21,665.8, little bit above this. So we need to, the close is bearish close. We need to see how the play will. Probably market can start in a bearish tone and it can start moving upwards. That is possibility. It can take support at this level and it starts moving higher. So the range, upper range is here. It can trade within this range, from this range to this range. Price action may be, levels may be 21,543 to 21,836. That's what I extrapolated based on the India VIX. So it can either go up tomorrow little bit. Let me go to the intraday levels. It can go a little bit. I open here like yesterday, today, opened higher. It could not go up to this level. See, you can see over there. Let me take this. It went up to this level. It could not retrace to this level. See, this was the big bearish candle. bearish candle, it retraced back and finally it started moving down. So it can even go up to, already it has filled the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap and the almost it has filled the fair value gap. It can, again, it can retrace little bit and it can trade higher also. There is possibility according to the price action. Only when the market opens, you will get to know how the play will be. So this is based on our assumptions, based on the VIX, India VIX, we have got the levels as 21,534 and on the upper side 21,835. Suppose if it starts extending, we can go to the level of 21,412 to 21,393. That is on the weekly levels, India VIX levels, and also the price action and also Fib retracements. So that's how, this is how we can extrapolate. See, even if I take the Fib tool from here to here, this is not even 0.38% retracement. So 0.5 retracement comes to 21,407 and 0.618 comes to 21,003. So this will be a very good level, very good discount level in between these two levels. Any level, for example, 21,362 will be a very good level for the Nifty to gather momentum. It will not be any violation of swing, and a correction like this will fetch a gather momentum to Nifty to go higher. So only in case of this swing is violated. If it starts falling below 20,978, then you need to worry about, because structure will be violated. Higher lows. This is an higher low. This is an higher low. This is another higher low. You can see market over here. You can mark. See. So there is no conspicuous low here in between. So here you can see this low, 21,238, and next you can see 21,560. So now it has broken down the level. Structure has been violated here on this area. Even you can make out how much it can retrace by using the Fib tool. So I am applying the Fib from the first low. This is the low, and this low has been violated. If I apply the Fib tool, it comes to 1.61, 21,561. So you can see it made a low of 21,000. So 2.618% comes to 21,392. That is a Fib level. See, it's so beautiful. If you go in any way, you will get the mathematical calculation also arrives to the same number, same levels, almost little bit 10 or 15 points in difference, you are getting the same level. There is high chance of probability of Nifty correcting to this level since it has violated the structure in this area. So not this structure. Longer term structure, higher time frame structure is not violated. This will come as a discount area. If it comes to this area, then it will be a very good level for the Nifty to travel like this upside. It can engulf and it can start moving higher and it can reach the level of 22,000. For that, there should be shift in the market structure. Market structure means it has to cross this level, 21,700. After falling, if it crosses this level, then there will be shift in the market structure. Then if it is coming like that, then we can even now also from this level, 21,300, and we can extrapolate the level to 21,875 to 22,170. These are the many ways you can make the assumptions that Nifty can travel like this. So you can extrapolate levels based on mathematical calculation and also based on the wicks. You can define the range, days range, and also weekly range you can also define, because it is very necessary for the option sellers. Option writers, they will define the range and they will start selling below that range. Put option selling below the support, and call writers, they will start selling above the particular resistance, upper range. So this is how support and resistance or the probable range can be extrapolated. I hope this will help you to do this exercise and practice and come to conclusion. This will help you. You have to do it. You have to do on your own. If somebody comes and tells on YouTube, or if many people will come, not only me, many people will also give the same levels, almost same the levels, because their levels are also based on these calculations and also price action. Okay, friends, thank you very much for patiently listening to my video. I hope this will help you to do on your own. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.